Hello everyone. Speakingdagi xatolarni ko'rib chiqamiz. Uncountable nouns. News is bo'ladi. Ko'pchilik news are deb ishlatadi. The news are interesting today. To'g'ri javob the news is interesting today. Yoki I have many homeworks. To'g'ri javob I have many homework. Homeworkni o'zi. Informations deb ishlatishadi. Lekin information bo'lishi kerak. Keyingisi furnitureni furnitures deb ishlatish. For example, there are many furnitures in my room. To'g'ri javob esa there is a lot of furniture in my room. In short, uncountable nounlarga biz birlikdagi verblarni olamiz. Masalan, news is, furniture is, information is. Homeworkni homeworks deya olmaysiz. Informationni informations deya olmaysiz. Yoki furniture furnituresga o'zgara olmaydi. Yaqinda speaking kursimiz boshlanadi. Telegram kanalimga o'ting.